Welcome to WAYSOM. Today the board in front of you explains different types of functions and how they behave. Start at the top definition. A function takes an input and gives exactly one output. But depending on the rule, functions behave differently, and that is what this board shows. Now focus on the first type. The constant function has the form f of x equals k. In the example shown, f of x equals 5. No matter what input you provide, the output is always 5. On the board, you can see its graph represented as a horizontal line because the value never changes. Move to the identity function below it. This function returns the same value you give. The form is f of x equals x. Input 4 gives output 4. The graph is a straight line passing through the origin with slope 1, as shown. Shift your attention to polynomial functions. These include linear, quadratic, cubic, and other algebraic expressions. The example on the board is 2x squared plus 3. These functions produce smooth curves or parabolic shapes. Their graphs bend depending on degree. Next, look at the modulus function. Its form is f of x equals absolute value of x. The board example shows -3 becoming +3. The graph drawn looks like a V shape because values reflect upward. Finally, observe the reciprocal function. Its form is f of x equals 1 divided by x. The example shows that for input 2, output is 0.5. The graph has two separate curved branches, demonstrating how values grow very large near 0 and shrink for large inputs. At the bottom, you will notice a summary. Different function rules create different output patterns, and graphs help visualize this behavior. So on this single board, you can see forms, examples, and graph sketches. Together, they give a clear overview of how functions differ. If this visual lesson helped you, please subscribe to WAYSOM, the way to wisdom, where maths becomes simple and meaningful.